We've looked at the Comanche server, but there is another server available. It's newer, called Swazoo. This is its home page. This is the documentation page, and we're going to do the Hello World site tutorial or short tutorial in this video. So the first thing we do is we go to Squeak Source and we use Monticello to pull it into our image. The next thing we do is we're going to create, let's see, there are the classes. There's Swazoo resource. We're going to create a subclass of Swazoo resource. I've already created one. So Swazoo resource, my Swazoo resource, and we're going to add a method to this. And the method is going to be called answer to, and then the pseudo variable will be our request. So we start out by putting in a temporary variable called response. Response equals HTTP response OK. And response entity will be hello world. Then return response. Now I've spelled response wrong twice, so the system's going to ask me what I meant, and we clear that up. We've got ourselves a class which will produce the content when it's requested. So we get rid of that. We go to a workspace. We need to kind of set things up. We need to get this server rolling. We need to get it connected to localhost and give it an ID and give it a name. So Swazoo site new name test, host localhost, IP 127.0.01. And the port number we're going to give it is 8888. So Swazoo server, singleton add site, site start. So we highlight all that and do it, and we've got our server started. The next thing we need to do is we need to connect the class with the content we just created with a URL so it can be, located correctly. Resource my Swazoo resource new URI pattern hello world.html. Now composite resource, new URI, and then just a /. Now we add the resource to the composite. Highlight that, do it. So we've connected our class to a way to access it from the outside world. All we need to do now is get things started. Swazoo server, singleton, site name test, add the resource, composite. Highlight that, and we're done. And we go to localhost :8888/helloworld.html, and there we go.